How to make a laser in Unity. This is very easy. You just need a scene of your game, and in your scene we'll create a 3D object, and the 3D object is a cylinder. Then we go to our cylinder and we shape it however we like, so adjust the length and the diameter by changing the scale. Then we need a material for our object. Just right click in your project window, create and material, and we give it a name. Doesn't really matter what name it has, and we add the material to our object. Then we go to our object and change the base color to red because it's a laser base map. And we turn on the emission and set it to a color. Now go to our package manager and install a post-processing package. Make sure you have the Unity registry enabled and just click install. Now add a volume to our object, that's for the post-processing. In the volume create a new profile and add an override, select post-processing and then select bloom. This creates the glowing effect of our laser. Set the threshold to 1 and set the intensity to about 1. Now add a layer for your laser and add the laser to that layer, and now change the intensity of your emission, and you got a laser. And now you can change the color however you like. If you like blue lasers, purple lasers, green lasers or red lasers, it's all possible. Very easy. So let's try it out in our game. There we go, we got some crazy freaking lasers.
Outside my door, everything that you've ever said before, please tell me more. I've never seen this film before, help me turn it around. A simple push and we lift it off the ground. I think I have found a little shelter, now we're all safe and sound. Where did the